Hey guys, so there is this new project called EARNM, which is basically selling nodes. And the best part is about nodes that you can make money with nodes passively. And these also work like NFTs, and you will be able to claim many airdrops just by holding these smart nodes. And first of all, let's look at the investors. And you can see these are insane investors. The founder of Layer Zero, Kinetic Foundation, GSR Ventures. There are so many capital firms that have invested, and they have funded $36 million, which is a really big raise. And that's one of the reasons why I'm really bullish on this project. You can see that in 2024, in Q4, they will launch a EARNM token and decentralized application. And here is the information about smart nodes that you can buy right now. There is a pre-sale going on right now. And here you can see if you buy 3 or more smart nodes, you will receive a free EARNM Edition EARN phone, which they will basically send you a free phone that is made for earning with browsing the internet, and you will earn passively just by using this phone. The second thing is that if you own a smart node, smart node holders have the right to claim 10% of the total EARN supply ever created, which is really big allocation to EARNM smart node holders. And here you can see they also will receive a free lifetime access to EARNM Crypto Club with 2 million daily email opens. It is one of the largest airdrop hunter communities in the world. Reward pool is 30%. Basically, the 30% of the tokens allocated to mystery boxes will be distributed to smart holders through the user-generated burn, which means that there will be another token distribution to smart node NFT holders. So as you may not know, the nodes are basically validators for this EARNM token. If you hold a node, a portion of the EARN gas fees generated in the layer 2 will be distributed to the smart node holders, which is another great passive income stream. And the fact that we are approaching the 2025 crypto bull run, I predict that basically the prices will go up for all projects, for all crypto projects that are doing something in this space. That's why I think this is another great timing for this project to sell the nodes right now. And here you can see the smart nodes can be staked to obtain early access to new fractal assets and future rewards implemented by the ecosystem partners. Now, if you want to join the public sale, which is going on right now, you can see that one node is right now selling for $325. It went up from 150 to 325, but you can see it will go up in value. So you have around 2 days right now to buy it for 325, because price will be going by 100 up, 425 in 2 days and 14 hours. And if you want to keep yourself updated with all the information, you should submit your email so you don't miss out on all the bonus perks and the information where they send the bonus perks to. And if you're wondering what kind of phone they will send you, here you can see this is quite decent phone. You can see 6.52 HD screen, 128 gigabytes of storage, octa-core processor, so it will be quite fast, and you will be able to do your everyday tasks on this phone while earning basically points to earn the EARNM tokens. And it has a fast charging and quite decent battery life. Here you can see it has a triple camera, fingerprint and face ID scan. The battery life is 2 days. It's quite good battery. Dual SIM card, USB Type-C fast charging, and 4 gigabytes of RAM. So that's basically the type of phone you will get if you buy 3 smart nodes. Here you can see they have some really big partners: Polygon, Chainlink, Alchemy, 8 here. Notable Web3 clients you can read for yourself. These are big names. So this is basically a legit project. Here you can see the fully diluted valuation that they will start with is $45 million in market cap. One of the best parts about these nodes, they work like NFTs, and if you decide that you don't want to keep them or you want to resell them, you can actually resell them. Here you can see ability to resell. Smart nodes are strategically positioned to generate enduring demand. Since smart nodes are NFT assets, they can be easily traded. That's why if you decide you don't like them, you can just sell them. Most likely, I think for profit, because the crypto is most likely going up, in my opinion, and this is not a financial advice. And this phone will also work as a smart wallet. So there are many benefits, not just buying nodes and selling. You get many passive income streams. You get the phone, you get a free smart wallet, and that's not it. There are many perks to these node purchases. And if you own the smart nodes, you can already open the mystery boxes that contain free airdrops, and the total value of these airdrops are $10 million in airdrops and prizes. So you can start farming just by buying a node and going into their ecosystem. If you want to understand the whole ecosystem, the whole project, you can go on their Twitter and you will find their Discord channel as well, where you can ask questions. They will answer you as fast as possible. I already went there, and they were very helpful with all the questions that I had, because it might be quite hard to understand the nodes if you haven't been into nodes, buying nodes, selling nodes right now. But nodes is one of the big narratives in 2024 and most likely in 2025 crypto bull run. So that's basically what I wanted to share about this project. Still, you are able to buy the nodes for $325, and this price will be the same for the next 2 days and few hours as of this video. After that, it will go to 425, to 570, 750. And right now the Bitcoin is staying around 67,000. So there is a big opportunity, because people are not really hyped right now that much. But this is really, in my opinion, really great opportunity. Not many people know about this. That's why it is not yet sold out, but you can see there are many sales occurring every few minutes. And if you think this project is promising and you like it, you can go on their website, on their Twitter. All the links will be in the description below. And if you enjoyed this, press like, press thumbs up, press that subscribe notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.